Hey guys, it's me Noah. My new phone just came. It's an Fi branded LG G7. I got this on sale on Google Fi. By the time you're watching this, the sale may or may not be over. But yes, the LG G7. And I am currently upgrading from the LG G6. So I cannot wait to try this out. I got the white blue one, the Google Assistant, Hey Google, 64 gig. It comes with the G7 Thinky, the travel adapter, the data cable, USB-C, the quick start guide, the SIM tray opener, and the stereo headsets. On the top you see powered by LG. Side you don't see anything, you see wireless emergency alert capable and Qualcomm Snapdragon. So all you have to do is just take one knife or a key or something sharp to this and it should slide right out. The nice thing is that you do get an LG branded microfiber cloth, which is a nice touch. Well, yeah, here it is. Now here's a big change compared to the G6. The screen on the G6 is 5.7 inches. The screen on this one is 6.1. Now on side, the only two options you have are the black one and this one, the blue one. I had the silver one, the silver G6, so I wanted something different, so I went with the blue one. Here's what it looks like. The camera really doesn't do a good job of showing how nice it looks. So here's this, here's the old one. I'm gonna go power it up quickly. I can't wait to try this out. I can't wait to see how fast it is because you know when the LG G7 launched last year, it was using last year's processor, which was a Snapdragon, and there's the welcome screen. It was a Snapdragon 825, I think. If I'm wrong, you'll see it on the screen somewhere. But yeah, it was using the last year's processor, so I can't wait to have a current flagship CPU. You get LG's warranty, LG's second year promise. So you have 2 years of warranty. The only thing you have to do is register it within 90 days of purchase, and it will be covered for 2 years. Now you do get the travel adapter and a USB-C charging sync cable. I use Anker's cables because they're braided and they're high quality. So I'm gonna leave those two side there. It's a nice box, and that's it. And you also have, if I can get these out, the headphones. With extra ear inset thingies. Now this one, inside here, get some of the user manuals. Let's get started with Project Fi. You get the SIM eject tool, quick start guide, and product safety and warranty information. Now, I used Project Fi back in 2015. I think it was around Christmas season of 2015, 2016. And I absolutely loved it. So, my battery's about to die. I'm gonna go ahead, get this set up, and I may do a overview. So that's it for today. I'll see you all soon. Bye.